So today, we are going April 3, and we're naglalaro. Yes, that's Maha. This is Jamaica. Hi. We're naglalaro ng probability game. The station number 5, and the people 8 is on their playing. This is the billion.
Talaga. Manalangin ka na lang. Talo ka na, boy.
This is 5.
Oligo. Drawing ka lang, ayaw mo.
That's mahangin there. That's mahangin. Uy!
Oh my God! Wow!
I-post mi adi dahito eh.
DJ.
Basta in-post mi adating kon mi. Huwag na tayo mag-disturb. Baka magagalit pa sila.
Sige, sige.
The video na nakat. This is station number 1. Ito yung game nila. It's color game. As you can see. We have here station number 4. They must shoot a ball there. That's Mahangin, Jude, This is the game of station number 3. So, mangin na alam mo na. Actually, I did this to be honest because I was awas sa kanila because wala silang game. So, the rule here is they must shoot the ball here so that they would get points, and they must reach 30 points so that they will go to the next station. This is station number 3, and this is our station number 5. This is station number 5. Like, there was parang yung nasa peryahan niya, like parang coin kung ano yung mga diyan. Like, they were going to throw it. Yes. Like, you're going to throw a coin there that it must go on the dog so that you will get 10 points. If it will stop at the chicken all the time, you will be eliminated. And the cat has 2 points.
Rat nga.
Rat. 3 points. This is a station I don't know. Hi! We have her another vlog. For document. The two is fighting. I don't know what are they doing there. Binabaliw. Wait, don't close yet. This is station number 6. Yes. They must play an XO. Can we play a game? Yes? Okay, so we will see how this station number 6 works. Okay?
Walk.
Sige. Okay, Miss Dylan Kate Biholman, can you tell me how does this thing plays?
This bullshit talaga eh. Uy, ang dati rules. This is the rules. I am.
Yes.
If you had 2 heads, you will have the move. If you have 2 tails, you will not have the move. You will give your move to the other player.
Okay.
If you have both head and tails, you don't have the move, but the player will toss the coin again.
Okay. Wow. Can we see how this thing works?
Okay.
Have here Miss Lincoln.
Move mo.
May isa lang naman lang nga game kanya, mi. May isa nga babae kan may isa. How come? Paano? Paano race to 3?
Dapat race to 3.
There's our teacher in St. Therese. She's holding the baby of mom, ano? Never Anna They're busy doing the ballet.
Ano ang ito next dito eh?
Station 8. And
Nice one. Tapos na po kami. Tapos na po.
Hindi pa yan, mami.
Walang bulong. Basta it's mahirap daw. It's mahirap. It's the last part of our life.
It naman niya yung atay. So, kurang ano kami na
Oh, ganun. Walang kaya. Pagtitripan ko si Mami.
May talaga si Bonnie. Baka kami naman.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore trees.